everyone, it's Julia Elise. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. It is very nice to meet you, and I would love it if you stuck around by subscribing. I post new videos every week, and I absolutely love my family here on the internet, and I would love it if you wanted to be a part of that. If you're wondering why you're up close and personal and my eyeballs look like naked mole rats, it's because I've got a package. And let me tell you guys, buying with one click on Amazon is the most dangerous invention ever. It has become my 11 o'clock at night little terrible habit that I have. But I saw that on Amazon they had the new Ardell Magnetic Lashes, and I am such a huge fan of Ardell. So if these puppies actually work, it's gonna change my lash game forever. Now, don't get me wrong, I absolutely love wearing the normal strip lashes. It's like my favorite look ever. I love the look of fake eyelashes so much. I don't have the best eyelashes, so the invention of fake eyelashes has just made my makeup game so much better. However, I hate the application process. I hate the glue. I hate having to wait for it to dry. I hate when it's like humid out and the corner starts to peel up. I hate when you can blink and like feel them, but you know you can't adjust them because the glue is already dry. So if this works, like, the game's going to be changed forever. Now, that being said, I've heard mixed reviews about these, but we're gonna try them for ourselves. Okay, so these are what they look like. I think they're very pretty. I got the double demi wispies, which I love the demi wispies, but they're sometimes not dramatic enough, so I love that they have the double. Let me look up the exact price for you guys to know, and of course I will list it in the description if you're interested in buying them. Okay, so these are $13.99 on Amazon. I don't think that's a terrible price. I know that they have crazy prices on magnetic eyelashes, like $40, so we shall see. The only thing I'm super nervous about is the fact that I always cut the size of my strip lashes, and I'm not sure I'll be able to do that, so that's the only thing. So without further ado, let's try these puppies out. Up close and personal. So there's very minimal directions here. It says gently remove upper magnetic lash from tray and lay on top of your natural lash line, and gently remove the under magnetic lash and connect the magnetic lashes together. So it's gonna be a little double hand action, but sounds pretty easy, so we shall see. I have heard from people that they find it difficult to apply, so I'm just going to plop them just on my eyeball. They look like the normal demi wispies, don't they? Oh! Just come through. Ow! Okay, so for the first time, that doesn't look that bad, but they're definitely not on. Like, you can definitely see where they should be, but let me try bending it more. Maybe that will help. Get it really as close to the root as you can, and maybe move it out more. Like I said, like, if this works, this is just gonna change my life. It's not a super strong magnet, which is really stinking annoying. Ah! That's a better try. Now, they stick really nice to the middle, but I'm having trouble with the ends, so they're not really attached to the ends. Things are happening. Ah. I'm just scared of like ripping out my eyelashes, and now my mascara is coming off, so I don't know if it's something that takes a lot of practice or it's just the kind of concept that just doesn't work for anybody, but I'm determined. It's gonna happen for me. Let me try angling it upward more. Nope, nope, nope. I am frustrated. Did I get it? So far, I'm really not loving this and kind of upset about it. Like, whatever, but I mean, I'm gonna keep working at it. Okay. That was a pretty good run, too. I mean, again, it doesn't look great, and they're super dramatic, but it's something. We're working with it. So I'm starting first with the inner corner, and then kind of working my way, making my way downtown. sucks because it has to connect exactly at the same place. Okay, so this is the best that I could get it, and from a distance it actually does look decent, but up close, like, you can really see that it's not on my eyelashes. And you know, I actually turned off the camera and played with this for a good amount of time, and this is the best that I could come up with. I would definitely like look into trimming it to see if that would make a difference, because these are too long, but there's really no sort of grab with these magnets regardless if they fit or not. If it's not strong enough for my eyelashes, they're certainly not going to be strong enough for your eyelashes, because my eyelashes are super thin and super fine, and it's just not, I mean, the double demis are gorgeous. I'm definitely going to purchase some double demis just to wear when I film, because I think that this is pretty. But yeah, I just don't think it is worth your money. And I love making videos like this because, I mean, I want to be honest with you guys. Do I think you should splurge and spend $13 on these? No. I don't think that they're worth the money. The magnet is not strong enough. There's not enough grab. I think that they need to make them a little bit more tacky so that when you set it on your lash line, you can leave it there and it'll be ready to have the magnet collect to it. But I think Ardell really missed the mark on this one, which makes me sad because I'm like a huge Ardell fan, and these do look really pretty. It's just they are not on my eyelashes at all. Well, okay, you guys, so that is it for me trying these funky Ardell eyelashes. Now, I do love the double demis, but like I said, I really do not think that this product is worth your money whatsoever. I watched a ton of these videos before I went ahead and purchased these, and of course, like, me being myself, being like, oh, well, they're probably doing it wrong, so like, let me try it out. Let me film myself trying it. And I got pretty much the same result as all the YouTubers that I've watched trying these out. But I think the more videos out there, the better. It's always good to try out products ahead of time just so I could save you guys a couple bucks if you were interested. Oh my gosh, they're so uncomfortable. Ah! I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. I'm really sad of the outcome. Like I said, they do look pretty, but they are just not functional. They're not well made, and I think that Ardell has a little bit of work to do before they perfect this whole magnetic eyelash trend. But I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, be sure to let me know by giving me a big thumbs up and comment down below if you've tried magnetic eyelashes. Did you like them? Is there a brand that works for you? Did you try these? Did they work for you? Like always, if you're not already subscribed at this time, I want to invite you to subscribe to this channel. I love you guys so much, and I hope you have a great day, an even better week, and I'll catch up with y'all later.